how can you see the list of this directory? How can you see how many files and folders or directories are there? Directory means folders. So you can use ls command for this. Just press the enter and you will see the list of this directory. How can you verify it? Just move on GUI and click on file system and you will see the all files over here, right? This is my home directory inside the Neeraj user. So same files you can see over here in the home directory with Neeraj user, desktop, docs, documents, downloads, like this. You can see all folders and files given here will be visible with the ls command in your current directory, right?